With the 2025 Lamborghini Motorhome, a revolutionary combination of supercar DNA and luxurious living, be ready to reinvent luxury vacation. With aggressive design, aggressive aerodynamic lines, and a carbon fiber reinforced structure that shouts performance, this is more than just an RV, it's a mobile masterpiece. Every element reflects the brand's illustrious past, from its unique wedge-shaped nose with Y-shaped LED headlamps to its integrated diffuser and quad exhaust outlets. However, its beauty goes beyond appearances. It conceals a hideous, frequently touted hybrid V8 or V12 engine that may produce up to 900 horsepower. With a luxurious king-size bed that ensures pleasant evenings on the road, the Master Suite is a haven of relaxation. A Bose soundbar and a 43-inch 4K smart LED TV guarantee private entertainment, and the fine attention to detail in the lighting and finishes produces a very opulent and welcoming space that makes you forget you're in a car at all. The large living space is intended for entertaining as well as leisure. It's ideal for movie evenings or watching your favorite programs because it has a huge 50-inch 4K smart LED TV and a high-end Bose soundbar home theater system with wireless subwoofer and Bluetooth streaming. Powerful reclining theater seats are available as an option, guaranteeing maximum comfort, and a panoramic sunroof lets in natural light while preserving an opulent setting. The spa-like bathroom continues the theme of luxury and functionality. While specific details can vary, expect high-end fixtures, a spacious shower, and elegant finishes that rival those found in a high-end home. Every element is meticulously designed for comfort and convenience, ensuring a refreshing experience on the go. A chef's paradise on wheels is the fully furnished contemporary kitchen. It has a recessed 2-burner induction cooktop with fashionable butcher block covers, a 23 cubic foot refrigerator, and plenty of storage room for all your cooking requirements. No matter how far from the usual road you walk, cooking delicious meals is made easy by high-end appliances and well-considered